Hey, we're at IBC 2018. We're currently on the F&V stand. I'm with Mark, and we're going to look at this sort of new light, which is yet to be announced, which is going to be announced soon in the near future.
Exactly.
Can you tell us about it?
Sure. So that's our K2000 Power, the newest member of the Power series. It's a half panel light. It's very compact in size, that's the nice thing, but still it has a lot of brightness. So actually it is brighter than the original K4000 SE, our 1x1 panel. Like this, with the new technology of the Power series, we combine SMDs with the lens, and we have a beam angle of 75 degrees. So that's a very nice trade-off between brightness and wide beam angle, and therefore softness and how wide you can illuminate the scene. As a basis like this, you can use it without any accessories, but then also you can refocus it with a honeycomb grid, for example. This is now the 30-degree kit with a quick release, just snapping in. And we also have other light shaping accessories like milk filter. Like this, you can make the light even wider and softer, 130-degree beam angle, and obviously then the brightness goes down. But like this, you can use the same basis, the same tool, and then choose, depending on the situation, how you want to combine it with different light accessories and what kind of light you want to create, a directional light, a soft light, and so on.
You've also got the softbox as well available for these lights too.
Exactly, yeah. So the softbox in this light, again, like also with the 1x1 panels, has two different functions. One is actually as an intensifier. So if you remove the diffusion stages, it refocuses the beam angle from 75 to 45 degree. Yep. And like this, it creates also a lot of more brightness. So it just creates more punch to the front. If you add the diffusion stage, as you can see, the front surface of the softbox is actually as wide or similar size as the softbox of the 1x1 panel.
Yeah.
So with this small form factor for traveling perfect, you can still create a big light surface and create a normal sized light source.
Yeah. And how much light do these things chuck out then?
So you can see with the 100, this is for the 1x1. So with the 130-degree beam angle, it's around 2000 lux. And with the 75, 7200. And these ones are approximately half of this brightness because it's a half panel.
Yeah,
so
that makes sense. And you're going to be doing a 3-light kit with these lights. Can you just tell us what that kit will sort of, sure, what you'll get with it and how much we're sort of looking at?
The nice thing is really these ones are compact, so they are a perfect traveling kit. What we did was make a pre-configured kit in a waterproof, dustproof case, free of the lights. Then place a room for light stands, traveling light stands, AC adapters, and accessories. So the kit comes with a milk diffuser and also with the 30-degree grid. And all of this together in a nice kit with roller wheel case so that you can just transport it easily.
And how much will we be looking at for the kit, roughly?
The price will be roughly 1,200 euro approximately. So depending on the daylight, bicolor units, a little bit more, a little bit less.
And finally, when can we sort of expect that to sort of, when are you going to start shipping, or when are you actually going to announce this?
Sure. So we will announce the light itself shortly after the IBC. The light will also be directly available as single units, and the light kit will come approximately 1-2 months later.
Perfect, that's great, Mark. Thank you.
Thank you.